It's all happening. You think it's dinner time, don't you? Ha ha! Sorry, it's not. And lovely little houses. There's another one over here. So in this pen, this is where cats that are not so shy and can cope with being more sociable with other cats come. Slightly more confident, or confident enough to get a bit more confident. And they've got lots of room. There's lots of beds and hiding places and climates. This is a really sturdy climber, built to last. They don't last forever, of course, but they last a long time. They have to here because we have so many cats using them. And they can sit in this section and get the breeze and the smells from outside and the birds. So they're completely at ease here and feel nice and safe and just not worried. Sometimes when they come here they're really wary and very nervous, and it can take weeks for them to loosen up. Or months sometimes. But some of them adapt very fast. So you've got these two doors, half doors here that we open up for a bit more fresh air. What a flirt. They're lovely. You're comfy there. That's the day for doing that, isn't it? Just take it easy. It's Sunday. So we're not going to get a look at this tabby. Very, very shy. Possibly new. So I'm going to turn this off so I can have a little cuddle with this one.